Is a Hisense Smart Google TV. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. So what you have to do is go to your settings. You have a settings button right here or right here on your remote. Looks like a little gear icon. If not, we can always go to the gear icon on the home screen. Click on the home screen. And then we want to move over to the right. We want to go all the way over right there. And then make sure the setting again is selected. You can see or highlighted. Let me click on OK right there. And then from here, we're going to go all the way down to System. We're going to go down. Okay, there's System right there. Click on OK on the remotes. And then from here, we're going to go down one to About. And then we're going to select on OK. And then we're going to go down to where it says Reset. Okay, just click on OK. And then there you go. You can go ahead and reset from here. Once you do the factory reset, it typically takes about like 3 minutes or so. And then your TV will restart, and then you'll be back on the very beginning as if you just bought it brand new, where you have to select your language and so on, right? Pretty simple.